All right, guys, so I'm a lover of all things vintage. So when I found this record player on Amazon, ooh, I had to cop. I had to get it. So first of all, I love this. It's wooden. I love the way it looks. I'm gonna bring y'all down a little bit so y'all can see. Once you open it up here, and it locks. Boom. And obviously you put your records here. You can play it. You can skip to the next song. All of that good stuff. So I love it. I love it. I love it. I think I'm gonna put it in my little guest room. It has a USB cable right here. Has a USB. It comes with the so you can like attach it and play it. Now you just put it in the charger and then you plug it up, and then that's kind of how you work it to get it started. You cut on the power button and yeah, it's ready to go. So I love this. I love this so much. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it over here in my office, and I'm probably gonna get started. Just so y'all know, I ain't playing. Hit him with the Whitney on the first record. So I love this, guys. I would choose this over and over again. Highly recommend. Quality is like amazing, and I love it. I love it. I love everything about it. So highly recommend, guys. Peace.